How you doing? You haven't seen this? Well, every night. It's not just the moon. It's the sun, sunspots. It's also Jupiter and its moons. And you can look at that at a telescope and see that they are flipping. Everything's flipping every night within a few hours. And it shouldn't be because we ride and roll on the ecliptic. Well, we tilt it, period. Now, granted, for 11 years, since 2010, October, when this began, this personally, naval helmsman, qualified individual driving USS and the USS Arkansas and Texas around the globe, noticed that my navigational tool, the moon, was doing a cartwheel, and it shouldn't be. The proof is in the pudding. The Earth's axis tilted. Popular mechanics, and let's see, about 3,600,000 results. Earth's axis shifted in the last 25 to 30 years. I say 12. October 2010, this began. Secretly shifted. I've been out here screaming, having every motherfucker on this goddamn fucking forum tell me I was nuts. This guy, Ben Goddamn Davidson, is a script reading, uneducated fucking asshole. He fucking has scripts from NASA. The motherfucker stands on NASA stages introducing NASA people. Then he badmouths NASA. He came over to my fucking page 6 times. I made a video with this asshole telling me it was normal for the top of the moon to set first. It's definitely supposed to roll 180 degrees every night. That is a wax and wane moon, dude, in one night. Never supposed to do that. This man right here on record said that's normal. And you're going to watch him? You're going to watch him about space. Really? You're watching a paid shill, no less than a paid shill, to lie to you. And you're over here sucking his cock. Oh, thanks, Ben. And this guy uses his fucking information. Don't you, Lee? He has 88 videos dedicated to debunking me. Funny enough, 88 videos debunking me. Even though everybody says nothing is normal about what the moon is doing, because the Earth's axis shifted. We tilted, making the sky roll. Moon wobble. Do you think it might be the Earth wobbling like a drunkard? And fucking people like this are too fucking stupid to fucking understand it? The guy is an HVAC tech at best. I was trained high advanced electronics in the Navy. I know physics. I know magnet and transmission and fucking everything to do with what we're talking about. This man knows nothing. He sits here and tells you he got a dream and it explained everything from God. Dude, he sits and calls me fucking narcissist all day long. It's fucking nuts. Local narc, local narc, local narc, local narc. He has an entire page dedicated to me. He even fucking started throwing out leaves saying, I don't know what my goddamn tree in the backyard is. It's a gamble oak. Fucking asshole. He has never been right about one thing he ever said. The moon is not supposed to be doing a cartwheel. You don't lay on your back to get a reading on it. This man might lay on his back and believe these dreams he's had. Crack-induced nightmares, I call them. Moon wobble caused flooding, this and that. Moon wobble, climate change, moon wobble. That means it's not normal. Let me give you a demonstration. It's very simple. We used to roll like this. We still roll in the same direction. Our planet was tilted on its axis. And it wasn't because of melting ice. It was because there are other suns you're not being told about in this solar system. Now, as far as this magnet signature goes, somebody saw it obviously a long time ago. They don't change. Magnet signatures are determined at the atomic level of the magnet. It will hold that signature until physically impacted, dead, whatever it takes. That magnet's going to be like that as long as that sun is active. This is what we refer to as a CME, and it happened from behind the planet. And Ra showed his ass. Informed him. But it was a big CME. It was hours long, actually. There it is. Boom. Now, that developed. IMF line, interplanetary magnet field line, coming out from behind the planet. No possibility that that is Earth's at all. Has anything to do with Earth. And that is definitely not Jesus on toast. That is a conical hat, ball on top, a fucking dingly cobra over the eye of Ra. This is a fucking blue spectrum sun. It is an ultraviolet sun. A black light, dark star, blue Kachina, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We've heard about him all over the goddamn planet several different ways. Guess what? It's real. It is not cow farts that tipped your fucking planet and made your goddamn moon roll. They have taken control of the supply chains to everything. That way they can blame themselves for everything. I've shown you where the corn died for the last going on 3 years now. Dead. No GMO crops for your fucking cows, chickens, any of them. Have you noticed your meat has changed? They're feeding them alfalfas and soy. They're no longer feeding them the GMO corns because the grains died. Because the nighttime's too goddamn bright with ultraviolet. Because this thing is right behind us. We have huge high UV peaking around 25. 25 fucking UVI. Because there's two suns on the other side. There's a big, dark, red one named Horus on the other side of your fucking sun, and that's why you've got the UV busting out all day, burning the globe. New fires within the last 12 hours. Look, Alaska's blinking. Imagine that. The globe is on fire. The UK, they got fires. Sweden got fires. Swiss Alps, fires. There are fires every fucking where, busting out all day. There are millions of acres right here burning because of a high UV. See this? Within 12 hours, there's more and more and more every day on top of the ones that are already going. No one's reporting on them, but that doesn't mean it isn't happening. These are verified, not hotspots. When I had this guy over here, Lee, calling me a narcissist, telling people I was reporting hotspots. We've got 300 plus thousand acres in one fire that I was talking about, very specifically, because it was burning out my customers. Not a hotspot. Every word I've ever said has come and been verified, right down to omnipresence at 1748 hertz, the magnet field inside each atom, the muon, backed by CERN. I came out and fucking told you about it at least 6 months before CERN did. We were verified by CERN. See the magical bit shoot? There's an awful lot of stuff over here that is not allowed to be on the tube format. Now, Brew does have a link to my only page, because you may have noticed there's one missing. Yeah, forever. 800 less videos for you to look at. You can still go over here and look at your fucking oldest first, though, can't you? Although a lot of the old ones over here are all lives. So, you know, it is what it is. We'd already discovered a lot of this stuff, but marijuana, good for you. THC in use. See, you might learn some stuff. But there's the important ones are still here. The important findings, my favorite goddamn work, my best work with the Five Eyes trolls that were attacking us. Killed them, didn't we? NASA fucking came out and backed my ass. The moon is doing a cartwheel, and it shouldn't. And anybody that says it differently is obviously sick in the mind, Lee, and calling me names. That's the beautiful thing of it. I am not a narcissist just because I'm right. You might be a narcissist for calling me one when you're wrong every time you open your mouth, and you know it. You're just an HVAC guy. And Ben Davidson, lawyer, you're a putz. You're a fucking paid little bitch. You fucking don't know anything about space, and you've proven that time and time the fuck over again. You recognize this? Yeah, I brought some of them over. And you just have to suffer through some of them. Don't. I don't care. I really don't care. There ain't 800 anymore. It's a fucking quick rundown. You got to do your homework. You need to know this. You need to know magnetics. You need to understand you've got one in your chest. Medically, you have one, just like Earth's. Kind magnets inherit strength on a magnet chain. Literally, Jesus was a physicist who was telling you how to become the difference in a three-sun system. Mom needs extra strength. You're it. Everybody's all like, oh, I'm going to bend over and kiss my ass goodbye. Good. Have fun with that. Without you, Earth dies and all the life on it. That's how you're a steward. This information was written on walls centuries ago. I had to look at it. I didn't even know I had a magnet field. I didn't know I had a magnet at all. And they're pretty powerful. And then we got a sack of nerves around our freaking hearts that control the emotions and memories. That is also a verified medical fact recently discovered that has been poo-pooed by Mr. Scientific Lee, who is an HVAC tech who has no knowledge of anything except for his crack-induced nightmare. Hallback array, neodymium magnet with a fucking copper in it, creates eternal energy. No moving parts. Perpetual 0 point energy. We've got moving machines that just like a motor, rotary engine on magnet, no fuel. Bzzz, take off. Put your torque converter on it and go. Anything you want to do. We have found the secrets that so-called Albert and everybody else was looking for. The unified field. All the fucking things fit from galactic to the goddamn atom. Right down the line from the Birkeland current to your DNA. 3 waves. Thank you, Professor Dave. The man knows physics better than Lee. I'll tell you. How do you have to have your